Pete from iJewelryBench.com. Today is Sunday, June 2nd, and I was supposed to do this yesterday. I want to give you a little brief update what's going on with me. I know I'm a day late, and I apologize for getting this out. Today we're going to announce the giveaway, the winner of the giveaway Invicta ProDiver automatic watch. The last week and a half I've been kind of busy closing down my retail operation, opening up wholesale only, and I'm looking for a new location in sunny Southwest Florida. I was in downtown Fort Myers, but that was not a good location. No real traffic to speak of. Parking was tough. Customers complained. So we made a deal with our landlord to get out by the 1st of June. So Friday was my last day. And I have been kind of crazy getting everything out of the store and moved to a temporary location where I can do some work. So yesterday kind of threw my back out moving, and I kind of didn't do anything yesterday. So today, a day later than I was supposed to do this, let's announce the winner of the Invicta watch. So what I've done here is I've created a little spreadsheet in Excel, and here are the public subscribers to my website. I apologize, this list should be bigger because there are more of you, but this is the only list I can get because I can't get private listings. So if you are a private subscriber, you do not show up here. I apologize for that. So in June's giveaway, which we're going to announce a couple days from now, I'm going to change the way that we register for your option to win the watch. And I'll be announcing that probably by Friday, which will be I believe it'll be the 7th. And we'll go from there. So anyway, let's get started. Here we have a list of all the public subscribers to my YouTube channel, and if I put my cursor here, let's see here who's going to win. I'm going to press the enter button, and that'll run the script, and you'll see right here we'll get the winner's name. 1, 2, 3. There you go, Wagner 438. I am going to send you a message via YouTube, and I'm going to put instructions on how to get a hold of me so I can get your name and address and ship you the watch. Congratulations on winning this watch. Okay, so to claim the watch, you are going to have to do the following if you can. Okay, Mr. Wagner 438, please contact me at the following, and I'm going to type it here in the video. You can reach me at the following email address: myjewelrybench@gmail.com, or let's see, that's what it is. And on the subject line, if you can, please type in the following: I'm the winner of the Invicta ProDiver. I will need the following information from you, so please include it in your email. I will need your full name, your mailing address, once I have that information, I will respond to your email and let you know when I ship out the watch to you. Thank you so much, Wagner 438. I hope you have a great day, and please enjoy the watch. Hope you enjoyed the opportunity to win this, guys. And like I said, on the 7th, I'll be posting another video where we're going to do another giveaway for another watch for June. Thanks for all your support and your subscription to my YouTube channel and helping me grow. I appreciate all the help you guys give me. Thanks, and take care.